Hi viewers, welcome to NEET Bio channel, and this video is for NEET beginners concept 10% law from the chapter ecology. So first, what is 10% law and who proposed the law? So it was a law proposed by a person called Lindemann in 1942, and what he says is only 10% of the energy is stored at each and every level when the energy is transformed from one level to the next, and rest 90% is left as such into the environment. So he defines and state that during transfer of food energy from one tropic level to the other, only about 10% is stored at every level, and rest of them 90% is lost in respiration, decomposition, and in the form of heat. So this law is otherwise called as 10% law or Lindemann law. So next we are going to talk about how the transformation occurs. So energy transformation in ecosystem. Before going into the concept, we must know what is energy flow. So the movement or transfer of energy in an ecosystem between tropic levels is known as energy flow, and energy flow plays a key function in an ecosystem. And also we must know energy is always unidirectional, and hence the pyramid of energy will always be upright. So when you get a statement questions regarding pyramid concepts, the pyramid of energy will always be upright and that statement will be correct. And coming to this concept, here we have four tropic levels. At the bottom we have producers, next to the producers we have primary consumers, and next to the primary consumers we have secondary consumers, and finally at the top we have tertiary consumers. So what they do is, the producers trap 1000 joules of solar energy and store only 100 joules of energy as a chemical energy through photosynthesis, and 900 joules of energy is lost into the environment. Likewise, when the primary consumers feed on the producers, they obtain only 10% of the energy, which is only 10 joules, and 90 joules of energy is lost into the environment. And in the third level, when the secondary consumers feed on the primary consumers, they obtain only 10% energy, which is 1 joule of energy, and the remaining 9 joules of energy is lost into the environment. And finally at the last level, tertiary consumers, when they feed on the secondary consumers, they obtain only 10% of energy, which is 0.1 joule of energy, and the remaining 0.9 joule of energy is lost into the environment. So this is the concept said by the person Lindemann. So we shall expect simple questions like this. So here first question, 10% energy transfer law in food chain was given by the person. They have asked Lindemann, Tansley, Elton, and Ronquier. So we know obviously the answer is Lindemann. So the next question, tropic levels are formed by option 1 organism linked in food chain, option 2 only plants, option 3 only animals, and option 4 only carnivores. We know that all the tropic levels include plants, animals, herbivore, carnivore, etc. So the tropic level is formed full of food chain. So answer for this is organism linked in food chain. Option 1. Next question. How much of chemical energy within producer tissues become chemical energy in herbivore tissue? So here according to Lindemann law, we know that only 10% is transferred. So the answer for this question is also 10%. So this is a previous year question. We have got this question in 2014 AIPMT. If 20 joules of energy is trapped at producer level, then how much energy will be available for peacock as food in the following chain? So here they have given plant food chain, plant, mice, snake and peacock. They have given 4 options. ஸோ இந்த கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சரை கேல்குலேட் பண்ணி என்னோடய கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சின்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், அண்ட் என்னோடய சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். Stay connected for more videos related to NEET, and thank you.